Yo, what is up YouTube? Chris here with another video. Today I was just sitting on my bed. I was thinking, man, you know what, it would be great if I could change the temperature without having to get up. And I realized they make Nests, bro. So I went to Walmart. I ended up buying a Nest with the Google Mini combo. Here it is. It was on clearance, 93 bucks. Let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. Alright guys, so here's the Nest packaging that comes in Walmart. It has a free Google Home Mini with it, and it does have the Nest bundled together. The bundle itself cost, I think, $169, but Walmart was selling it for $124. I checked the store today and they had it for $93. So, I mean, this is a steal at that price. And if you want a smart thermostat, this is what you want to get. So let's go ahead and start by opening it up. This is the Google Home Mini. They only had one color, so this is the color you get. Put that to the side, and other than that, the Nest itself comes in the box. Pretty simple packaging. Nothing fancy. Let's get this open. Here's a little pull tab to open the actual unit itself. Alright, so there is the Nest device itself. It's pretty small. Here's the palm of my hand. It fits in there. It doesn't feel like cheap plastic. It does feel like it's quality material. Here's the back. And this is the frosted glass right here. This is glass and the Nest logo right there. In the box we got some paperwork, installation stuff. Here's the labels to wire your wires, you know, so you don't get confused. Here is what all the wires get connected to. So you could check online if your unit is compatible with the Nest. Most units are, mine was. And it'll tell you, you know, where to wire what, so it should be no trouble at all. This one does have a leveler up there, so you can get it, you know, in the right position, centered exactly. I thought that was pretty neat. And this one does have tabs here. When you're inserting the wire will go in there, and then the tab will hold it in place, kind of like speaker wires. I know some of them have, some thermostats have screws that hold the wires in place, but this one doesn't. There's that. And what else does it come with? Here is the mounting plate to cover up any holes in the back if you do end up making holes, or you have old holes from your old thermostat. But that's pretty much it. That's all that comes in the box. We'll go ahead and get this set up. Okay, so we're here outside the back of my house, and for the Nest installation you do need to turn off your breaker. It's recommended so that you don't damage your system. So my breaker box is right there, right behind me. Let's see what we gotta do. So I went ahead and took the panel off. You do have to switch off the breaker for the AC unit, but I don't know which one that is on mine, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the main power, which is this main one up here, and then you can go ahead and start connecting your Nest. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is wiggle out your old thermostat. Most of them pop off just like that. And as you can see, I got 4 wires connected: green, yellow, white, and red. I'm gonna go ahead and start by taking off the back plate to the old thermostat. And mine only has 2 screws, so I took out one of them and I left the other one on there just to hold the plate in place. Each one of the wires was secured by a screw, small screw, and I used a flathead to remove it. So the Nest comes with labels, as I mentioned, and I went ahead and labeled each wire after I removed it from its snug position. Alright, once all the wires were labeled, I went ahead and removed the second screw holding the plate in place. And once it was out, I popped off the wall mount. This is all the wires right here, labeled. Went ahead and grabbed the back plate for the Nest and fed the cable through the middle and lined up which screws I was going to put to hold it in place. So once the back plate was secured and I made sure everything was snug, I went ahead and started to push back the wire and securely put each one into its tabs. And you know the wires are all the way inside once the tab stays down. So you don't want to have the tab being flush with the other end. You want the tab being pressed down. That's how you know that your cable is in there securely. Alright, so this is what the finished product looks like with all the wires tucked in and flush. As you can see, I didn't install the blue wire because it wasn't installed in my old unit. Here's the Nest unit. I'm gonna go ahead and install it. All you gotta do is push firmly and make sure it's all the way inserted. The connector is the oval piece on the bottom, so you just want to make sure that goes in. That's why you need the wires flush. Give it a nice firm push right there. Made sure it was aligned correctly and pushed it firmly, and everything looked good and great and ready to go. Alright, so that was the install of a Nest E thermostat. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Peace.